Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And first method, come to this www.gigabyte.com. Come to this website. This is the Gigabyte officially website. Then click to see here the search button. Then type your model number of your motherboard B550M DSL3H ACR2 and then hit enter. Okay, and then seek an product. And click on see this is motherboard. So guys, then click to support. Select your operating system that is using Windows 10, 11 if any use, but installations process same. Then you can see this is Bluetooth driver. BT means Bluetooth driver. You just click to download. It is completed. Open this file. This is WinRAR file and double click on exe. Then give administrator rights. Click on yes and Bluetooth driver like this install. So it is completed. Then last Wi-Fi.